Devonian Period. Age of Fishes. In the ancient mists of time, 419 million years ago, our world lay under the dominion of water. This was the Devonian Period, often called the Age of Fishes, when vast oceans dominated the planet, nurturing a wealth of life forms that were setting the stage for the Earth's future biodiversity. It was a time of explosive evolutionary development, where new species began to emerge and others adapted to changing environments. Imagine yourself submerged in the warm, prehistoric seas, where sunlight filtered through the crystal waters, illuminating a rich tapestry of life far different from today's oceans. The temperature was warmer, the air thicker with carbon dioxide, creating a world where aquatic life thrived. Below the surface, entire ecosystems flourished in ways that would seem alien yet familiar, a distant echo of what our oceans would one day become. Vibrant coral reefs adorn the marine landscape, their colors dazzling the eye, while swarms of strange, armor-plated fish glide serenely through the water, their movements a silent ballet of evolutionary perfection. These reefs, teeming with life, served as critical hubs for biodiversity. Coral species, alongside crinoids and brachiopods, created a mosaic of habitats where creatures of all sizes lived, fed, and evolved in the depths. This is an era where the very first amphibians begin to take tentative steps onto land, their bodies still more fish than frog, hinting at the great evolutionary leaps yet to come. These pioneers, like the Tiktaalik, ventured onto muddy shores, their limbed fins signaling the beginning of vertebrate life on land. They were the forerunners of all terrestrial creatures, paving the way for reptiles, birds, and mammals millions of years later. Witness the reign of jawed fish, a revolutionary development in the history of life on Earth. Swift and agile predators like Dunkleosteus, with their razor-sharp teeth, dominate the seas. These creatures, capable of growing to enormous sizes, were fearsome hunters, their powerful jaws giving them the ability to crush through the toughest of shells and prey, securing their dominance in a hostile, ever-competitive oceanic world. These beasts, clad in bony armor, are the undisputed rulers of this underwater kingdom, while their prey, from small, agile placoderms to tiny, defenseless arthrodires, swim in constant vigilance, dancing the eternal dance of predator and prey. The marine ecosystem was a complex web of interactions, where the hunters constantly evolved to become better predators, while the hunted developed new strategies for survival, from armor-like exoskeletons to intricate hiding mechanisms. Yet, it's not just a time of ferocity and survival. Schools of early bony fish shimmer in unison, their scales reflecting light like a living constellation. These schools moved in perfect synchrony, their group behavior offering them protection from predators. The ancestors of today's fish, these creatures helped spread the diversity of vertebrate life across the planet's oceans, forming the backbone of marine ecosystems that still endure today. Soft-bodied creatures float gently with the currents, while trilobites, one of the period's iconic denizens, crawl along the seabed, their multifaceted eyes scanning for food. Trilobites, with their extraordinary visual systems, adapted to survive in a variety of environments, from shallow reefs to the deeper abyss. They coexisted with other ancient creatures like ammonites and early cephalopods, helping create a vibrant, multi-layered ecosystem that would stand for millions of years. You will see the genesis of reef-building corals, crinoids swaying like underwater lilies, and the emergence of the first forests on land, where celophyton and other early vascular plants reached towards the ancient sky. The development of land plants was an evolutionary breakthrough, enabling life to conquer new frontiers and transforming Earth's barren continents into green, oxygen-producing landscapes. These plants, simple as they were, laid the groundwork for complex ecosystems on land. Every corner of this world teems with life and speaks of an unrelenting drive towards complexity and adaptation. The Devonian Period is not just a chapter in Earth's history. It is a testament to life's resilience and creativity, as creatures adapted to their environments in ways that continue to inspire awe. The innovations seen during this era would shape the course of evolution for millions of years to come, laying the foundation for the rich diversity of life that thrives on Earth today. This is the Devonian, a time of astonishing biodiversity and ecological innovation, a vibrant underwater world where the foundations of modern ecosystems are being laid with every flick of a fin and every grasp of a primitive limb onto foreign shores. It was a time of remarkable transformation, where the Earth, still mostly dominated by oceans, began to glimpse the possibilities of life beyond water, setting the stage for the dramatic evolutionary leaps that would follow. So, dive down and explore, for the echo of these primordial waters still resonates within the life pulsing across our planet today. The Devonians' legacy is written in every fish, every forest, and every living thing that calls this planet home. It was a time of beginnings, one that forever changed the course of life on Earth.